Hi everybody, and thanks for tuning into my channel, OA Cosmetics and OA Cosmetics Labs. Today I have a great tutorial for you. It is on how to make a coenzyme Q10 face repair cream. So it's anti-aging, it's renewing. It's a great morning cream. Okay, so my morning routine generally looks like wash your face, some toner, serum, and then the moisturizer. And this CoQ10 cream is fabulous for that job. It has the CoQ10 powder is vital to production of energy within the cells. It's also very powerful antioxidant or free radical scavenger. It can penetrate the cell layers of the skin and may attenuate the depth of wrinkles due to photoaging, as well as epithelial cell turnover, meaning your cells, almost like exfoliating, are turning over quicker. It also has rosehip seed oil, which is great for your face as it has natural form of vitamin A in it. It helps treat acne along with signs of aging. It has panthenol as a great humectant. It helps restore and maintain our natural skin moisture. It also has cellyncage. Now this repairs the skin to help hold and lock in moisture. Okay, that's a big one, and it's fabulous. And then regu-scence, which is one of my favorites, and that combats two major signs of aging by giving the skin a firmer, thicker appearance. Okay, it's great for skin aging prevention for 25 and rejuvenated intense care for those 40 and older. So it is just full of anti-aging ingredients. It goes on smoothly. It is yellow from the coenzyme Q10 powder, but it does not turn your skin yellow. So it's just a great moisturizer. Let's get to the tutorial already, right? All right, here we go. All right, so here we are. We are ready to get started on our coenzyme Q10 cream. We are going to have our water phase in the smaller Pyrex and our oil phase in the larger Pyrex. So for our water phase, we are starting with 85 grams of aloe vera juice. There we go. Okay. Give that a little scrape, make sure we get all the little bits and pieces. And then we're going to put in 103.7 grams of water. There we go. And then we're going to put in 0.5 grams of allantoin. All right, and we are going to stir that to try and get that to dissolve. And that's pretty much it for a water phase. It was a really easy, very small water phase. This will be a cream, so this will be thick in a jar. Next is our oil phase, and we're going to start with our coenzyme Q10 powder here. It's this beautiful bright orange color. So let's get all of that in there. Okay, that's 6.8 grams. And we have our emulsifier is Montanov 68 MB. We have 17 grams of that. This is a new emulsifier for me. I usually use emulsifying wax NF or BTMS 25 or 50. So this is a new one for me, but it's supposed to help get into the fat cells and through the lipids of the skin barrier better than some of the other emulsifiers. So I guess we'll see. Next is acetyl alcohol. This will help thicken it up. And we have 10.2 grams. Sorry, I keep hitting the video here. This is a new technique I'm trying out. Put down in the comments if you like this better than how I did it before. After that, we have our rosehip seed oil. Oh, this is so luscious. This is expensive stuff right here. We have like full 2 ounces of rosehip seed oil to go in this cream. It is going to be divine. Absolutely divine. All right. There we go. And last but not least, we have our Oli wax. And our Oli wax is just going to take a little bit of that greasiness away from our product and leave us with a nice velvety, smooth finish. And they're kind of like these little flakies. All right, and that's it for our oil stage. And now we're going to pop these in our pan and heat and hold them for 20 minutes. Okay. Okay, so here's our product on the stove. We're just going to bring our water to a simmer. This is called a double boiler system. And we're going to heat and hold this for 20 minutes. And I will test it with my temperature gun. And hopefully we get to 158. All right. We'll see you guys in 20 minutes. All right. So while our water and oil phase is heating, we're going to go ahead and work on our cool down phase. Okay. We're just going to get it ready. So the first thing, that we're going to do is add our preservative, which is the Occlusives PE 9010, and we're going to add our glycerin because those 2 things need to go in first to help dissolve. The glycerin helps dissolve the preservative. All right, so here we go. All right, there's our preservative. And we're going to put in our glycerin. So tear that. And we're going to put in our glycerin. Perfect. And we are going to stir like crazy because that glycerin needs to dissolve that preservative. That is its job in all of this here. So we just kind of stir till it's nice and clear again. It looks like one of those oily wax flakes got into my bowl. It should melt down when we emulsify. It shouldn't be a problem. All right. I think our preservative has been solubilized. So I'm just gonna... Now we can add in the rest of our ingredients without any problems. So tear that. And we are going to add in a little bit of water, 17 grams of water. There we go. Give it a good stir here. Wipe and tear. And next we have our panthenol, so 2 grams of panthenol. So panthenol is going to be 6.8. panthenol. Give this another good stir. Because then we're going to add our regu-scence and our cellyncage. And those are two very expensive ingredients. You don't want to mess up on those. And if you want to make this without it, you can. It just won't be as powerful anti-aging. All right. Both cellyncage and regu-scence have to stay refrigerated. They come in these cool little pouches like that. I just pop the whole thing in the fridge to keep them kind of safe. All right, so here's our regu-scence, 10.2. Here. Alright, give that a little stir. Pair that. And then our cellyncage. And cellyncage is a marine ingredient. It's really cool. It helps with cell turnover and renewal. It's great for your skin. Highly, highly recommend it. Okay, tear it one more time. Check. So we're into 7.8 here. There we go. All right on the money. Perfect, and that's our cool down phase. So we'll just give this another stir, and then we are all ready to go once our emulsion has cooled down. Okay, so now we have our heated oil phase. Everything is liquid and it's still that beautiful orange color from the coenzyme Q10. And we have our heated water phase. We're going to pour our water phase into our oil phase, not the other way around. Okay, you can kind of see it emulsify a little bit when we poured that water in. We're going to hit it with our immersion blender. And that will help, and then we're going to keep letting it cool down and it will thicken right up. I always kind of start on low so I don't get sprayed. So you can kind of see it's getting thicker already. It's emulsifying. We just need to wait for it to cool down for a little bit. So we'll come back in about 10 minutes, give this a good stir, and come back again until it's cold enough for a cool down period. Okay, you can see this is significantly thickened and cooled down. So we're going to go ahead and put in our cool down ingredients here. Scrape it, make sure we get all the goodness. Sorry, my mixer's like right in front of the camera. All right, and we'll just do this on low. Look at how smooth and awesome that looks. Oh my gosh, you guys. So that is our Q enzyme. cream. And let's just see here. So if we put a little bit on here, oh, it feels great. I will not make your skin yellow either. See? It blends right in. It's yellow from the coenzyme Q10. Boy, coenzyme Q10 cream. Oh yeah, that feels awesome, guys. Okay, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial on how to make our coenzyme Q10 cream. This is a cute little jar I just got off of Amazon. It's glass, 2 ounce. You can see how yellow our cream is. Again, that will not go on your face yellow. Okay, it will not change your skin tone, and I'm really light skin toned. I have no face makeup on. There's a nice little sealing cap in there to protect it, and once you pop that off, you can see all the luscious, beautiful gold velvety smoothness. So this is just a great anti-aging moisturizer. Okay, well, thanks for following along with me. I'll post my formula here for you if you'd like to recreate it. And I hope you follow my YouTube channel and my Instagram at OL Cosmetics, as well as our Facebook group at OL Cosmetics. Thank you so much. Bye, guys. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.